In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you install the Tomahawk F150 grill on your F150. First thing you do is obviously just open up the hood. Now, if you guys also have the Ford Raptor style grill that's also from American Modified, you guys will also have these wires and everything already pre-routed. I'm going to go ahead and unplug everything because we're going to be uninstalling this grill for the purposes of this video. But yeah, the easiest things to do is to pretty much loosen up this bolt, take this bolt out, take out this bolt right here. Or if you don't want to remove this bracket, which you can honestly just do is remove the screw right here. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and basically you can just pretty much bolt the next grill onto this piece. And as for the top part, you do have to loosen up that bolt, this bolt, that bolt. So there's about you don't have to do that one. So there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 bolts up top. Take out all those screws, and obviously if you have an aftermarket grill, you do have to disconnect all the lights before you can actually take off the grill, but that should be easy enough. Now, once removing all those bolts, the next thing you guys have to do is just pretty much pop up all the tabs that are behind here. So if you guys have a plastic pry tool, that is a way to go. Unfortunately, I do not have one right now, so I'm going to be using a flat head. But if you put the flat head against the paint, you could destroy your own paint. So just make sure you're using a rag or something, and then just pretty much get it in the grooves and pop out all the tabs. And once all the tabs come out, we'll be ready to install our new grill. Now that we have that one removed, you can go ahead and install this guy. Let's go ahead and install the new grill. It's pretty much the reverse order. You just pop in all the tabs on the top, screw in all the screws from the back of there, and then once you have the thing up, you can screw in the bottom 6 as well. And just like that, guys, we've got in all 6 screws up here, and then also up here we have all 6 of those screws put in, which should automatically suck in the tabs once you line those up. So if we bring down the grill now, you guys can see the grill is pretty much fully lined up, looking so good all the way across. Here's how the grill looks on the truck. Let me go ahead and close the hood real quick. We do have all these wires sticking out, so don't mind that. Man, oh buddy, that looks good. Now, if you guys do want to use all the lights, the wiring is right here. There is 3 wires, and they're all color coded, so it makes it easy. I'm going to be putting up the instructions right there to what you guys should be able to tap all those wires into to get these lights to work. But if you're just wondering how to install the grill, it's as easy as that, and your grills should come also with the lettering. This is just a demo grill, but yes, it will say Ford, which will look so much better. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to check out American Modified down below.